Today's date is 4th of May and the year is 2021. Today's day is Tuesday, and in literacy today we are going to learn to write our first letter. The first sound that we did was S. Yes, so today we are going to learn how to write this sound. So let's begin. So children, this is the sound S. Yes, so let's have a look at these pictures that begin with the sound S. Sub. It's a submarine. Yes, it is used underwater. It's a submarine. Sub. Snail. Sun. Spider. Snake. Star. So did you notice all these pictures began with the sound S. Yes, their names began with the sound S. Sub, S, snail, S, sun, S, spider, S, snake, S, star. Yes, now let's learn how to write this letter. We actually start writing with the pencil. Let's do some pre-writing activity with the help of wheat flour. So you can use anything, okay, any flour. Okay, so it's going to be fun. So you're going to use this finger, your pointer finger, okay, and then you're going to write. So you have seen so many times the sound S. Okay, so let's try and write it. Okay, so let's try to write it here first on the floor. So we start from here and go slant up. Okay, you make a slant line going upwards. That's called a riser. Okay, you call it a riser. Now take a small turn and cut it from here and come all the way down, slant down. Again take a turn, stop, and from this way again go up and end it with a tail. Yes, so this is your letter S. The sound of this letter is S. Okay, now you can also do some air writing. So this was on the floor. You can also do it in the air again with your finger. Okay, just you try to trace this. Go slant up, take a turn, come slant down, take a turn, again on the same line, go up and end it. That's the descender. Okay, so now let us do with the pencil. Okay, but before you take the pencil, please do this pre-writing activity. To the practice sheet, I request the parents to please make a practice sheet exactly like this in your child's literacy notebook for them to practice writing this sound. And please do not make them write this sound more than 8 to 9 times. Yes, this sound has to be practiced on a daily basis so that they get to write this letter perfectly. So it's not going to be a one-day thing. It will take a lot of practice, yes, to get a hang of this letter. So please make a practice sheet like this whenever they are practicing. So this sound has to be practiced every day. Yes, till they get it right. So let's begin writing this sound. Yes, so this is your sound S. So with your finger, try to trace over this so that you understand the pattern. Yes, go slant up, take a turn, come down, slant down, and take a slight turn. Come back on the same line and end it with the tail. Yes. Do it 2 or 3 times with your fingers so that you understand how this letter is written. Yes. Now, with the pencil, start tracing over these dots. Okay, so start from down on the line, go up, take a turn, come back down. Yes, now on the same line and end it with a tail. This way here, go slant up, take a turn, come back down, take a turn again on the same line, end it with a tail. Yes, this has to be done slowly with patience. Yes, now these are just some starting dots that I have given. Yes, try forming this letter by yourself using these dots. Yes, so I have to join these two dots first here. Yes, this one, go slant up, stop. Now take a slight turn, come slant down slowly. Now from here I take a slight turn, join it here, come back on the same line and end it with the tail. Yes, let's try once again. So I start from this dot, go slant up. Yes, now starts the tricky part. Take a turn, cut it, come slant down, take a turn, touch the line, stop here. Take a turn, come back on the same line and end it with the tail. Yes, now in this last two boxes, I want you to write this letter by yourself. Yes, try writing it yourself. Go slant up, take a turn, come down, 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 and take a slight turn, come back on the line, same line, and end it with a tail. Yes, one more time. Slant up, take a turn, small turn, come slant down, touch the line. Yes, in this curve you have to touch this line. Don't leave your hand. Come back on the same line and end it with a tail. So this is the way I want you to complete your sheet. And after you have done the writing work, I want you to draw at least one object, yes, one thing that begins with the sound S. Yes, so you have to draw it and color it. Yes, so every day when you are practicing this sound S, please make a sheet like this to practice, and I'm very sure that in a very short span, if you're practicing daily, in a very short time you will be writing this letter to perfection. Yes, you will be writing this letter perfectly. Okay, so I want you to practice this writing the sound, practice writing the sound daily, every day, for 10 minutes at least. Okay, children? So, for a start, I want you to see how you are holding the pencil and how you're getting this letter, pattern of this letter right or not. Please complete this sheet today. Try completing this sheet today and send it to me tomorrow. But keep practicing writing this sound every day at home. Happy learning.